I'm Katie Robinson, and I'm a student at Milligan College in their Occupational Therapy program. My classmates and I have put together a series of videos to teach you all about living with rheumatoid arthritis and how we can make that more comfortable, how we can conserve your energy, and how we can make living more meaningful for you. If you need more information, you can find that down below. We've linked a PDF we put together with extra resources and then also links to websites as well. And any equipment that you see used in these videos will also have a link below. Thank you. We hope that these are helpful for you.
Rheumatoid arthritis is a condition that impacts your joints. It can happen in multiple joints in your body, like your hands, wrists, elbows, spine, knees, and feet. RA is also an autoimmune disorder. This means it does not only impact your joints, but how the rest of your body feels. We also want to point out that RA is usually symmetrical. This means it will usually impact both sides of your body. So if your left hand had signs of RA, your right hand most likely would too. RA can also impact children. Juvenile rheumatoid arthritis is the most common arthritis in children younger than age 16. We hope those with RA can find this information helpful at any age or stage of life. One of the tools you can use in the kitchen to protect the joints in your hand is a jar or can opener and closer. Here you can see the device looks like a V. Will demonstrates how to twist a lid off of a bottle using the device. Place the top of the item you are wanting to open or close as close to the point of the V as possible, based on the size of the item. Will then shows what the device will look like when it is attached to the bottom of a cabinet, putting it within reach. This allows you to open items without having to twist the lids, which can be painful with RA in the wrist or hand. Another option would be to use an electric can opener. Instead of having to grip and twist with both hands like Ashley demonstrated with a regular can opener, an electric one can be operated by simply placing the can and pushing a button. The tool you see here is a stovetop pot and pan holder. This keeps a pot or pan from moving or spinning while you cook. As you stir the contents, you do not have to use your other hand to hold the pot or pan. The next tool Will is demonstrating is an oven rack, pusher, and puller. You can see the notches on the end of the tool. This makes it possible for you to use your oven without having to grip and move the oven rack. This device can also be used with a dishwasher. Next, Ashley demonstrates how to hold some kitchen items to protect the joints of your hands and wrists. Instead of holding a pan on the edges, she puts her hands underneath the pan to evenly distribute the weight. Always consider your safety when carrying hot items. Use towels or oven mitts that cover your hands and wrists fully if you are using this method for carrying pans or dishes. Lastly, Ashley demonstrates how most people would lift a pitcher, which can be painful for individuals with RA. Another way to lift the pitcher would be to place a hand underneath the pitcher so the weight does not only fall on the joints of the fingers that are grasping the handle. When Ashley pours with the pitcher, she also keeps a flat hand on the spout side of the pitcher. This also takes stress away from the fingers. On behalf of the Milligan College Occupational Therapy program, thank you for watching, and we hope you found these tips helpful. For more information, a PDF summary of these tips can be found in the description below, as well as links to all of the tools and equipment mentioned in the videos.